What kind of glue is gonna work for this? Or just
get tape.
Duct tape. This is a terrible costume. Go, let go, I'm gonna pants you.
Ow!
What do we do with this? Take this too.
Ow! This is so bad. It looks like stairs. Moment of truth.
All right, who's ready to climb up mommy's stairs? This is so much more functional. I can game this way and be a staircase this way.
Your body's completely contorted.
Yeah, well, it's good for your back to have some twist in it.
That's not true.
Peachy! Good girl! Oh, mommy's the ladder! Oh, good job! Was that fun?
Come on.
This way.
Come on.
Come. Up. Yeah! Good boy! Come on! Go to your spot. Kermit, go to your spot. Good boy! Marble! Come on, honey, you can do it. Yes, see, there's still. Oh, wow! Ouch.
Oh my God.
Come on. Come here, Marble. Yeah! Marble!
Come on.
Julian, I'm living the dream. I'm over here gaming as hard as I can.
You just lost.
Gaming as hard as I can. And my dogs are free to come and go as they please. Good girl!
You want to climb up the ladder? You want to climb up mommy's doggy stairs? All right, go.
Peachy, come. Yes, kiss tall.
This actually really worked.
Yeah, it really does work.
Should we put bunny on it?
Oh my God, no.
Come on.
Good boy. Go, Mumble.
Boy.
Go.
Come on.
Go.
Come on,
Yay,
Mumble.
Mumble.
Look at you go.
Come on, Mumble.
Go.
Come on, honey. Kiss
Go,
me.
good boy.
Yeah,
Oh my God.
good job.
What a
Good
beast.
job, Mumble.
What a beast.
That's what he does at the dog park. Go, Mumble, go. Yes, honey. Good boy.
All right, Kermit, you're up.
Go.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
That's what they do to me. That's what they do to me when I'm just sitting here minding my own business. All right, Daddy has the treats. Everyone has to go down the ladder now.
Come on, guys.
Wow, Mama!
Good boy.
It went down so fast.
Go up the ladder. Come on. Come on, Mabel. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, Mabel. Come on. Boy.
One big jump and then the rest
One
is
big jump.
Yes,
You got
just
this.
one big jump.
You got this. Come on, Mabel. Come on. Come on.
Good boy.
Come on. Oh.
Good job. That's my guy. That's my guy. Do you like my costume?
Yeah, it's actually dope. It was like surprisingly not a